Hi, welcome to Hack the File. Again, this is Michael Lopez, and today we're going to be finishing up the authentication bypass. So, this is video 4. Enjoy. So, I took a previous video and it crashed. So, I recorded everything, and then when it was up, it just crashed. So, that's why you're looking at this like in progress of me working on it because my video just crashed and it didn't save or download or nothing. Um, my channel is about doing stuff for the first time, so um, we're gonna go back here. At least you don't have to wait while I load everything. And this is gonna be a quick video, way quicker, because I've already went through a bunch of stuff. But I'm gonna go through this stuff again. So like I said, we're on authentication bypass. This is the final video, video 4, and we're doing cookie tampering. So I can rerun what I did. It's no biggie. Okay. So examining and editing the cookies set by the web server during your online session can have multiple outcomes, such as unauthorized access, access to another user's account, or elevated privileges. If you need a refresher on cookies, check HTTP and detail room task 6. So I've already did that room. Not going to do it again. Plain text. And so first and foremost, what I do is get my cybersecurity red team book, and I'm going to my authentication bypass, and I am writing down um, cookie tampering. Okay, let me go back. I went to the wrong page. And I'm underlining it, and then I'm writing down plain text, right? Okay. The contents of some cookies can be in plain text, and it's obvious what they do. Take, for example, if these were cookies set after successful login. So, set cookie, logged in true, max age 3600, path, logged in, set cookie, admin false. So, it's in plain text, right? We see one cookie logged in, which appears to control whether the user is currently logged in or not, and another admin, which controls whether the visitor has admin privileges. Using the login, if we're to change the contents of the cookies and make the request, we'll be able to change our privileges. So this is what cookies recorded. First, we'll start by requesting the target page. So we're going to request this target page. I'm going to use curl. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down curl right here, right? And then like URL. So I'm going to write down curl URL because that's basically we're getting the URL. And I know what curl is, but if I write it down right here in this authentication bypass, and I come to this if I need to bypass authentication, then I can come in here and say, okay, look, yeah, this curl is the one that I was using. Let's use that. And then I'm sure you're gonna look up other tools that you can use, right? Okay, so HTTP 10.10 41 119 / cookie test. All right, that's the wrong. But HTTP. Oh, all right. So what we get is not logged in right here, right? So we can see the return a message not logged in. Now we'll see another request with the logged in cookie set to true and the admin cookie set to false. We're going to rerun this, and now we're going to tamper with the cookies. Okay, actually, Girl each cookie logged in equals true. Admin equals false. HTTP 10.10. So what we did was we changed that and we logged in as user. So finally we'll send one last request setting both the logged in and the admin cookie to true. Okay, now we're gonna do this and we're gonna change them both to true. So I gotta open this up. And see right here, we're logged in as admin, and then here's your cookie tampering. So, like I said, I made an original video earlier, just right before this one, and that's why I entered in this cookie tampering. I got the answer correct. I didn't do this before. I did it literally right now, right before this video. Okay, so, and like I said, it didn't download. It just crashed. It glitched. So, hashing. Sometimes cookie values can look like a long string of random characters. These are called, or I'll close this, these are called hashes, which are an irreversible representation of original text. Here are some examples that you might come across. So you got MD5, and the original value string was 1, and you got SHA-256, SHA-512, and SHA-51. So I'd write that down next. I'd put hashing underscore in your book. I'd write MD5, SHA-256, SHA-512, and SHA-1. That way, if somebody asks you what are the common methods for hashing, you'll know. You know, if you're in an interview, hey, what are common methods for hashing? You'll know which ones and what they do. You can see from the above table that the hash output from the same input string can significantly differ depending on the hash method used. Even though the hash is irreversible, the same output is produced every time, which is helpful for us as a service such as HTTP crackstation.net keeps databases of billions of hashes in the original strings. So crackstation, I'll click on it real quick. You just pop it in here, and you not a robot, and you crack that hash, and it'll tell you what's in it. I have that on my favorites list on my web browser, so if I need to crack something, I've got it. And I got some other hashing stuff too, but we're gonna put that in here, which that's what I was in the middle of doing. Is I on the last videos I had this up. Okay, encoding. Encoding is similar to hashing in that it creates what would seem to be a random string of text, but in fact, encoding is reversible. So it begins to question what's the point of encoding? Encoding allows us to convert binary data into human readable text that can be easily and safely transmitted over mediums that only support text ASCII characters. Common encoding types are base 32, which converts binary data of characters A through Z and 2 through 7, and base 64, which converts using the characters A through Z, big A through Z, 0 through 9 plus slash, and the equal sign for padding. So the main thing, and if you wanna convert this to memory, by all means go ahead. I can look that up if I really need to. All I care about is that I know about base 32 and base 64 that they're encoding methods. So if you want to keep all this in your memory of exactly how they do it, by all means go ahead. Take the below data as an example, which is set by the web server upon logging in. So set cookie session, and then here's your hash, or here's your encoding, and then max age path. Okay. This string base64, so that's a base64 decoded has the value of ID1 admin false. We can then encode this back to base64 encoded again, but instead setting the admin value to true, which gives us an admin access. So that's awesome. So we're gonna come in here and change that to true so we can get admin access. Um, it's pretty cool. Okay, so this is where I was at. So I had this pulled up. Here's the website, and it gave. And so what I did was on this crack hash, the website they gave us up here. Okay, you're gonna add in up here. You're gonna add in your value, right? And then you're gonna say you're not a robot in the crack hash. And this is the result they gave me. They gave me 463729, and that worked. I didn't have to do a hint or nothing. So that's all caught up. We're all caught up now. Last video it crashed right here, and I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna go to the next question. What is the base 64 decoded value of this? Okay, so base 64. Let's see if this does base 64, right? Okay, it says supports LM, NTLM, MD2, MD4, MD5, SHA. So this looks like it's mainly hashes. So this is not going to decode that. So we need to find base 64 decoding site or application, right? And I have one right here. So I'm gonna go down here. Look, base 64 decode online. So now I'm just gonna take that www.base64decode.org. Okay. Man, I'm just glitching all over the place. All right, so base64decode.org, right? So we're gonna go HTTPS base64decode.org. Now we're in here. I agree, and we're gonna enter in this, right? Which, let's see if I can copy and paste. I mean, this does never work for me, but copy, paste, and a cookie stupid template. Well, how did I copy that? It'll make no sense. I can even do that, but it's not gonna work. Okay, so let's just B-E-H-N-E-0-2-F-9-F-T-A-N-P-R-E-L. Back. Decode that. So that's our next one, but what do you think that says? So that didn't decode right. It's THM hack it. All right, let's see this here. This just gets my goat. That's ridiculous. But I can't copy this. And then this is not even bad. All right, let's decode that one. That one looked like it was a little bit better. But no, holy fried chicken. What's going on here? It's freaking awesome. Something's going on. All right. I think that's an L. Instead of O's, I think those are zeros. Better. Man. All right, I know what that's gonna say. So PHM base 64 encoding. There you go. See, I could just guess. Copy and paste doesn't not working with my stuff, so I don't know what's going on. But anyways, we figured it out. All right, encode the following value using base 64. Oh, it says encode. Okay, so decode. Maybe we can go here and put decode, encode. Can you encode? Can we encode on here? How does that work? Now we're gonna have to find an encoder. Or maybe we can enter in here. I don't know. ID. It might want us to use Perl. I don't know. Okay, scrap that here. Yeah, that. Oh, here it is. Decode, encode. You can change it up here. Oh, nice. All right. Yeah, that was pure luck. Oh man, all right. ID curly brackets. ID. One. Yeah, let's see. Encode. Is that it? Ah man, I hope this lets me copy and paste. That's some whack. That's just whack. Look, that's the one I needed earlier. What kind of whack shit is happening? Man, that's some serious crap going on. Alright, we're gonna have to enter this IDP. I'm sure they don't have to all be CI6 M S W I Y W R T A 4 I O N R D W B 9. Alright, I'm gonna have a problem with this shit. Pardon my French. EYDP. This is so stupid. It's the same VM, man. This is ridiculous. Maybe if I cut it and paste it. If I That's the whole part of this, just figuring this crap out. Shit. Well, if my theory is correct, I should be able to copy this here. I should be able to paste it in here. Yeah, alright. So we're good. Now I should be able to. Should be able to copy that. Paste it in there. That's what we're on. Base64encode.org can help us with this. Oh, really? That was the one. Uh, gosh. Am I on encode? Encode. I'm encoding that. Okay, what does it want? It wants encode the following values. This is encoded, right? There you go. That's the one that we had first. This is whack. All right, we got it. I'm gonna post this to my LinkedIn. Actually, no. So I'm gonna wait on that. Anyways, so that's lagging. That's it. That's the video. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This the wraps up the authentication bypass. I think it was fun. I think it was a fun journey, and hopefully you learned a lot. I learned a lot, and I'm learning on what we can do in TryHackMe and what's the easiest way and all this pasting and stuff problems I'm having, and I'm figuring it out so I can go more faster and efficiently through this stuff. And I'm trying to, like I said, I'm trying to get the cyber defense done, the pen testing done, the junior pen testing, the one we're doing now, and I'm trying to do um, the CompTIA. So those are going to be the next videos. Uh, Doing different modules for this, but I hope you enjoy. This wraps up the authentication bypass, and I hope you had fun. See you next time on Hack the File. Thanks.